With hundreds of thousands of acres burnt and smoke blurring the horizon for weeks now, can something be done to lower the intensity of wildfires? One answer is called fuel mitigation. MTN's Dennis Carlson tells us more.
We live in the state of Montana. It's not a question of if we're going to get a fire. It's a question of when.
A solid wall of trees is not a healthy plant community.
Matt Daw is in the middle of a 4 to 8 year fuel mitigation project on his 160-acre ranch north of York.
This was the mess that, I mean, you can't see more than 25 yards in here, and this was the mess that was left over from when the beetle kill came through here over like the last 7 years. And if a fire were to come through here, it would be it'd be gone. You couldn't, like I said,
look at all those little whips you've taken out.
Right, you couldn't see any of it.
Working in consultation with the Natural Resource Conservation Service, Daw is removing dead and dying timber from his property and eliminating ladder fuels that can turn a grass fire into a crown fire.
And it gives a more healthier plant community for the wildlife to be working through.
When we take these ladder fuels, when we trim down from as high up as we can reach down to the ground, and we get these junipers out, what's going to happen is the fire will come through here, it's going to burn the grass, it's going to burn the needle cast out of here, and it's going to continue past. It might scorch the bottom of the tree a little bit, but the odds of it going up that tree and getting into the upper fuels of that tree are very, very slim.
Daw says he can already see the difference on his ranch.
That right there is good grass for elk to eat off of, cows to eat off of, horses. That right there, if a fire comes through here, it's just going to burn everything underneath and it's not going to get into the trees.
And as a volunteer with the York Fire Department, Daw feels good about his project.
I feel very confident that if a fire were to come through here, we would minimize the damages to our property, and we wouldn't sustain any structural loss or anything of that.
Reporting from York, Dennis Carlson, MTN News.